Torrential slide value equivalent to 405.31 rands a coin. The present cost range: 381.34, 407.56. The earlier day close: 404.08. The change was plus 1.23, plus 0.30%. Converse rate: ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost 395 rands, high 423, low 367. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 370 rands, high 396, low 344. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 413 rands, high 442, low 384. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, November 23. Cost 479 rands, high 513, low 445. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, November 24. Cost 511 rands, high 547, low 475. In multi-week torrential slide gauge on Monday, November 27. Cost 439 rands, high 470, low 408. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 506 rands, high 541, low 471. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 572 rands, high 612, low 532. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost 641 rands, high 686, low 596. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, December 1. Cost 641 rands, high 686, low 596. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 4. Cost 651 rands, high 697, low 605. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 638 rands, high 683, low 593. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 658 rands, high 704, low 612. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, December 7. Cost 664 rands, high 710, low 618. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, December 8. Cost 669 rands, high 716, low 622. In 3 weeks torrential slide gauge on Monday, December 11. Cost 679 rands, high 727, low 631. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 654 rands, high 700, low 608. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 707 rands, high 756, low 658. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, December 14. Cost 704 rands, high 753, low 655. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, December 15. Cost 708 rands, high 758, low 658. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost 732 rands, high 783, low 681. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 760 rands, high 813, low 707. Torrential slide cost expectation for walk 2024. First and foremost cost at 801 rands. Exorbitant cost 801, while low cost 626. Found the middle value of cost 725. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 673, change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 673 rands. Exorbitant cost 673, while low cost 585. Found the middle value of cost 640. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 629, change for April 6.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at 629 rands. Excessive cost 629, while low cost 513. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 581. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 552, change for May 12.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 552 rands. Excessive cost 552, while low cost 457. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 513. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 491, change for June 11.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 491 rands. Excessive cost 521, while low cost 453. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 488. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 487, change for July 0.8%. Torrential slide figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 487 rands. Excessive cost 524, while low cost 456. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 489. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 490, change for August 0.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 490 rands. Excessive cost 490, while low cost 417. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 461. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 448, change for September 8.6%. Torrential slide figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at 448 rands. Excessive cost 556, while low cost 448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 493. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 520, change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 520 rands. Excessive cost 565, while low cost 491. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 526. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 528, change for November 1.5%. Torrential slide figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 528 rands. Excessive cost 574, while low cost 498. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 534. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 536, change for December 1.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 536 rands. Exorbitant cost 649, while low cost 536. The found the middle value of cost 582. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 607, change for January 13.2%. Torrential slide gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 607 rands. Exorbitant cost 620, while low cost 538. The found the middle value of cost 586. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 579, change for February 4.6%.